Welcome to part 3 of our New Year's Eve experience. If you haven't watched part 1 and 2, I highly recommend finding out how it is that we came to be in this place.
So we got a hot tip from our pizza guy that just up the coastline a little ways here we can grab a ferry to go back to where we're going. So it was a bit complicated to take a bus across the bridge. We would have had to take like 3 or 4 different connecting buses, but we can take this ferry. We could have taken this directly across and then figured out buses to get back. But what we're going to do is go down to Emananu, which is a familiar area for us where we've done a lot of boat travel already. And then we get down there, we have to take one of our boat over to the Asian side, then we'll catch the metro and go back to our hotel. So we know the whole route. My battery's dying on my phone too, so we're kind of concerned that we get out and not have access to maps and all that stuff. So this is the surefire way to get home in one piece. And it's New Year's Eve, we don't want to be stranded. We are at the Emergan station right now. Guys, so yeah, we had a nice surprise. We had no idea that we could take a boat back.
Yeah.
This has been a dream. We expected like we'd have to catch buses and figure out the trains or whatever. Yeah. But here we are, we're riding on a boat, checking out all the amazing lights of the city around us.
Yeah.
And it's so beautiful, and like literally we could not imagine a better way to finish off 2020. This is like, yeah, this has been a really great day despite our difficulties getting to where we wanted to go. Yeah.
This is a good day. It's been a really good day.
We feel very blessed.
Yeah, we do.
Anyways, we'll film some of our trip here because it's pretty spectacular. The Bosphorus Strait is pretty awesome in the day, but man, at night it is
very, very pretty. Oh yes. See lots of the castle lit up. Oh man, it's definitely
beautiful. That's another one. Okay,
yeah.
we're gonna go film it.
Okay.
So like that yellow ball, way far away is the moon coming up over the hill, and oh my goodness, that is so spectacular. I know it's probably blurry for you guys, but as good as I can do. Oh my god. Wow. Not a bad way to get home. On New Year's Eve, nonetheless. Dombati Palace, which I have done a post about. We went on a tour in there earlier in November of 2020. yeah, it's pretty spectacular. Spectacular in the day, spectacular at night. It is actually the largest palace in Turkey, and it used to be the home of the entire Ottoman Empire. It was like the administration center of the entire Ottoman Empire. And it's just super lavish. Really cool. Hey guys. Where the hell? It just says the marker right there.
I think it's up this way still.
Okay. We tried to change boats to get on our boat to go back to the Asian side, and they're closed down. Done for the day. Now we're trying to find the Marmaray train that we were riding yesterday to take us across. We're hoping it's still running. Curfew starts at 8. It's like 8:05.
Yeah.
And yeah, I'm sure it still runs because all the workers have to get home and stuff. But yeah, that added a little bit of a stress to our blissful evening.
Yeah.
So stay tuned. We'll let you know if we make it home.
Yeah.
Oh, 9 floors down to the ground. I'm scared. But we do have to go. This train takes us like underneath the Bosphorus.
Lydia.
Okay.
Anatolia? Anatolia?
Anatolia.
Anatolia. Cozy Tiger.
God, I thought he was going to say no, it doesn't go that way. Ah, I have a heart attack.
Yeah, so we are. Yeah, we got like fucking 2 stops, like Uskudar and then this.
Hey guys, oh my god, we made it.
The epic journey is almost at an end.
Yeah, what a day. We
Oh
had
man,
crazy.
yeah.
This is a crazy transit day. We really.
Yeah, we could have planned shit better, but we also didn't know certain things. So now we know, and knowing is half the battle.
Yeah. Anyways, the important part is we're here. We've made it home. We just got off the metro. We just gotta walk back to our hotel. Could walk be so far away. We just gotta go back to our hotel, which is like across the street here, and we are done. And it's like, I don't know, 3 hours before New Year's Eve. And
Something like that, yeah.
we're just gonna sit in our room and do nothing for the next at least 24 hours.
Yes, at least that.
We're gonna be like lounge lizards in our robes.
Oh yes.
Anyway, yeah. Again, if you like our content and you're enjoying watching our videos, please subscribe and please like our videos.
Yeah, please like, because that gives us more views.
And you can also help keep us on the road by joining us on Patreon. We do have a Patreon account, and all the links are below in our description there. So take a look and see what we're about and follow along on our journey.
Yes, indeed.
Thanks so much.
Bye.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year from Turkey.
They're very far away from us.
Yeah, they are, but we can see them. We can at least see them, and there's more going along over there too. There's at least fireworks. That's good. Yep.
2021, bring it on!
Mm-hmm.
That's a good show.
That is a good show over there.
That is like way. That's a
That's a way over there. Yeah.
And we can't see like downtown, so.
Yeah. Yeah, that's definitely a show that's just booming over there.
Yeah. As good as it gets from up here.
Mm-hmm.